Okay, I'm going to show you a tip here for securing your main garage door, which we haven't covered yet. Here's your emergency release, okay? And there's a gap here to the outside. If you get something like a coat hanger from the outside and come through here, this is going to freak you all out, but you're going to learn something. And you get it up here, watch this. That's all it took. Now, this door can easily be opened with a coat hanger. So now the next thing you're going, well, how do I defeat that? Well, it's going to cost you a fortune, because you're going to have to go out and get a zip tie. You'll probably get a whole bag of them for $1. All right, so let's put this back in position here. Now it's locked. And you put the zip tie through this hole. This is really hard to do with one hand, but hang on. There it is. Lock it up. There you go. Now, you got a zip tie on it. In an emergency, you can still unlock this. The power goes out and you need to get out of your garage. You can still pull this hard enough, but not with a coat hanger from the outside. That's probably the cheapest tip I can give you.